Okay, we're doing our first hive inspections today. The nukes have been in their hives for 8 days now. We've been feeding them sugar, so hopefully they've exploded. But we're going to go out there and check them out. We know that there's carpenter ants in there, so we got to get rid of the carpenter ants. We've got some shields that we're going to put in there to help keep those out. But we want to make sure our queens are doing what they're supposed to, and that we've got colonies that are getting bigger. So we'll go check them out. So I'm thinking this over there will be a good, I think they're going more. I'm going to hit these guys with a little smoke. Just to help keep them calm. And we're going to start with this one. Boy, the bees went nuts. There's our top and our carpenter ants we've got to get rid of. And we'll have to figure out what to do there. So all the bees are coming up. I got to smoke them and get them to go down. It's got a lot of syrup in it. Oh, we brought honeycomb. We are way late. They have built all the way out. These things have gone nuts. Lots of bees. We got bees on all 10 frames, and they're building out cone. They've been building out cone on the outside. So in 8 days, they are full. So for these guys, I'm going to spin this one around. Actually, I need to take it out. Bees looking at us. Building out cone on this side. We've got pollen, nectar, and that's all I see yet, no brood. They've bridged these at the top. Totally been like a cone with honey. We've got nectar. We've got pollen. And I still don't see any brood. all kinds of nectar. I need to smoke them again. Let me put this back in here. So this is getting over into the nuke. Oh my gosh, that's so heavy. I can't even pick it up. It is absolutely full of honey, nectar, and pollen. And I still don't see a queen right off. And still don't see any brood. I can't believe how heavy that frame is. This one's heavy. Now we've got nothing but brood. A ton of brood. Capped brood. And capped brood. And I don't see a queen just yet. But this is the hive we know we had a queen. I did see her. And we got drones too. We've got open brood and pollen. I'm still not seeing any larvae. Tons of pollen, lots of pollen, honey. And look for a long beige, mostly orange. She'll be the queen. I still don't see any larvae though. She's probably worked her way all the way to the outside. Capped brood and nectar. We've got, are they building swarm cells or just hives? I think they're just building, off of the comb because they don't have any more room. We're going to go all the way to this outside one, Dave. This is taking too long. I don't see a queen and I haven't seen eggs yet. I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's like she didn't have a place to lay. Or I haven't seen a queen cell. Let's go back and look at these other ones. I've got to have
a queen cell look like?
Big long pieces that are open in the middle. We've got tons of nectar and pollen. We got eggs right in the middle, so shoot right there between those bees. Good, 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 good. They're tiny little things. Let's see if she's on the back side. Okay, so that last one is the one we got to move. So let's do this. No, this one is the one we got to move. Because I think we're going to have brood in it.
Move up?
Yeah, move up. So I need to get one of these. We got to put the shield on. So this is going in. Okay. So this I'm going to lay to the side. Let's see if they've got it sealed. Oh, I don't want that again. Well, that's heavy. Got more room to grow. We're going to hopefully bring them up by doing this. And squeeze these guys together. So we got our ant guard, new box, feeder. I need to scoop these ants out of there. They just didn't have a place to build. He can get out. He can get out to these sides. That's our hive inspection. After 8 days, they were busting at the seams. 8 days. So I'll put the strap on it in a little bit. Should have smoked underneath that. These guys are quite a bit more quiet. They're building comb up here too. And we've got them all the way out on the sides. Nothing on this one. We've got some bees, but they're not doing anything. We're gonna get more room to work. Woohoo! That's awesome. All nectar. And they're building out comb on this side. I'm going to keep a little bit more room to work. I see some nectar, but I think we've got brood cells. There's eggs in there. Right here in that little open spot, right between the nectar and that. Perfect. So we got a queen over here. If you see eggs are laying down, she might be on this one. I don't know. This one we're going to move up. This is from the nuke. Still got some capped brood. Capped brood and nectar. Okay, if we've got eggs, I'm happy. They just need room to build. This thing's getting ready to bust open wide. Look at all that cat brood. And the same thing over here. These are quite a bit more calm than the other ones. And I just want to come over here and see if we've got honey. See what kind of job they've been doing. They're building comb out awesomely. And on the next one, so we're going to leave this alone. Easily put it back in there. So we've got eggs. One we want to go up top, so I got to put a frame in here. Put it right in the middle. Should build it out faster. This one I'm going to turn to the other side. And this one will go back in. Gloves are definitely getting in my way. Alright, I think they look good. Let's put a box on it. We've got eggs going up. All right. They're doing good. They're doing really good, even with the ants. I'm crazy happy with that. As these logs dry out, they'll be too light.
Well, I would prefer the look of rocks than this.
Say it again.
I would prefer the look of a rock on top than that.
Than the log? You don't like the log?
No.
I see if the other side's flatter. That one's teetering a little bit. Okay. Does it look more natural, right?
Than a rock?
Than a strap. I'm gonna have to get the tie downs later, the anchors. They're fed. They're growing like crazy. I think we're done. They look good.